the camera operator. Yep. I'm going right there, right in front of you. All right. Is that okay? Okie dokie. Penny, you ready yet? All right, Jenna, you give me a head start?
Huh?
You give me a head start?
Yeah.
Okay. Assistance. Thank you. All right, go. Oh boy, Sonny, how do I help me?
Oh, sweet.
Help me!